Okay, it's Monday, May 12th. Here comes the rain again. I hate to break it to you. And some areas are going to see some heavy rain. And it's going to go into next week too, into the weekend. So we have to be careful. I used to say keep a watchful eye on any streams or creeks around your house. So let's take a look at this. And just a reminder, you can go to www.weather-outlook.com. It's free. Just go onto the page up in the right-hand corner, the front page where it says it's free. There's like three slash lines. Just click on that and you'll see the index. Now here's your temperature. This is this evening around 8 o'clock. You can see 70s through most of the state, three state areas. Some areas got 60, and then the higher elevations here are also in the 60s here. So you got that going on. But right now, precipitation is right here, and it's going to take a little while to get in, but this is around 8 o'clock. It's just starting to snow, rain out. Wish it was snow. It's starting to rain out here by Pittsburgh, and it's going to slowly work its way up. Um, Here it is around 10 o'clock tonight. And then here it is around midnight tonight, right here. And you can see it's starting to move up. The northeast part of the state in Jersey will be the last to get anything out of this, see the rain out of this. Temperatures right now at midnight when it's raining, you can see that's basically 60s across the whole area. So, there's no doubt um, that it won't be that bad. You can keep the windows open, get a little moisture in your house. But this is going to take you to around 7 o'clock in the morning. And now it just didn't get up to the northern part of Jersey or extreme northeastern PA. But rain is going to be moving up. And you can see in front of it, there's some moderate rain here. You can see these yellows in here. And you're going to have to watch down here because as this thing goes, there's going to be a line of heavy rain, maybe even thunderstorms. This takes you to around 10 in the morning, and you can see that line of decent rain right here, the yellow line. You can see things are beginning to pop down here towards Maryland. As we move around to the afternoon, around 2 o'clock, it's kind of jagged up here in northeastern PA, northern Jersey, central Jersey. But here's some heavier rains back out here that still have to come through. Again, this is during 2 o'clock tomorrow. We move this to around let's see, this is around 6 o'clock. You can see maybe a thunderstorm there. If you look way out here, you can see them starting to form here, even down this way, and some moderate rain in central PA. So it'll be just like a rainy day tomorrow. But then as we go into the nighttime hours, here's 10 o'clock uh, Tuesday night. And here's your thing to keep an eye on right here if you're wondering about heavy rainstorms. You can see it starting to get its act together. And as it comes north, um, rains kind of die out for a little while, but you still got this to come through. Now, here's your first line here. And if you look at the very bottom of the screen there, you can see them coming up from the south. And here they're starting to get their act together. Here's 2 o'clock Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. You can see all this is breaking out here. So this is some heavier rains. And then you can see it. This is around 3 o'clock. Here's 4 o'clock in the morning. Here's 5 o'clock. And you can see they stretch from by Atlantic City all the way through Philly, all the way through Reading, all the way out to Harrisburg. But if you look to the north, there's nothing. So you have like a little respirator. That could be good because it would allow the streams and the drainage to go down a little bit. So you keep that in mind. Here's 5, here's 6, here's 7 o'clock. And you can see right along here, 7, 8 o'clock. Here's your line. It's now moving up towards the Poconos here. It's up Newark, not Newark, but Berwick, Hazleton, out here going towards Stroudsburg, into New Jersey, central New Jersey, even down this way towards Atlantic City, and Wildwood down that way, you're getting some rain. And then, oh, we kind of went too far there. As you can there. Let's go back where we were. There it is. There you can see it moving to the north. 9 o'clock. Here's 10 o'clock in the morning. 11 o'clock. Here's noontime. And there's been some moderate rains, and there's still some going on along the shoreline down here before this actually pulls away and it starts heading north. And there's still some showers left behind. Now, if you're wondering just how much totals would be, let's see if we can get this to pop up for us here. Now, these are your totals. You can see the high ridges out here by the Laurel Mountains, to the west of Harrisburg, and then the lower Poconos. You can see they get hit pretty good with some rain. Could be some 3 inch amounts in those areas, 4 inch amounts. You can see these yellows and the lighter oranges as an inch and a half, 2 inches or so. If you look out towards Jersey, another 3/4 of an inch to basically an inch and a quarter or so, inch and a half. And then other areas to the north, you can see it's not as much, but you'll get a downpour at the end of this. So I think if there's any bright spot, it's that the fact that this was really got flooded, and this had some really nasty weather, and it's kind of hitting in between. Now this is the NAM. This is the GFS model, and again, central PA and southeastern PA into Jersey, the heavier amounts. And again, it agrees lighter amounts to the north. It gives a little bit more rain out here by Pittsburgh, but not the 2 3 inches out there. And then we come up with total rain between now and Memorial Day, the 26th. Some decent amounts of rains, 2 inches, 4 inches in some areas. So we're in a wet pattern right now. I mean, again, it's spring, but just be careful out there. You never know when you're going to get one of these downpours. It's hard to pinpoint it. All right, everybody, take care. Please be safe.